Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation today. I would like to take this opportunity to talk to you about our experience on Toyo Seikan. Toyo Seikan, a subsidiary of Toyo Seikan Group Holding, a globally renowned Japanese company specializing in packaging and beverage production. With a decade of experience, we take pride in our expertise and innovation in this industry. Here in Thailand, we focus on manufacturing high-quality plastic packaging and providing contract beverage production service. Our products range from container, beverage, chemical container, toothpaste, PET bottles, high-density polyethylene, all designed to meet the highest industry standards. In 1917, Mr. Tatsunosuke Takaso founded Toyo Seikan. In 2004, Phuwipat Innovation was established to manufacture and sell general plastic products. In 2007, Phuwipat International was established to manufacture and sell beverage PET bottles and undertake contract filling. In 2008, Toyo Seikan Technical and Administration Service Centers was established to provide technical support and administration service for group companies. And next, in 2011, Thailand experienced one of its largest floods. So then, 2013, Toyo Seikan Thailand was established through manager of Phuwipat Innovation, Phuwipat International, and Toyo Seikan Technical and Administration Service Center. Let's talk about the limitation. The key limitation in product process is the main challenge supply or demand. Toyo Seikan is a well-established company with strong customer demand. However, the primary limitation does not come from demand, but rather from production capacity and supply constraint. In other words, customer demand often exceeds our manufacturing capabilities. So now, let's take a look at the production figures. So let's start with the line number 1, which has producing speed at 460 BPM is equal to 9 million bottles per month. So then the line number 2 had the same speed as line number 1, 9 million bottles per month. And come to line number 3, 8 million bottles per month. And line number 4 has 600 BPM, which is equal to 13 million bottles per month. It's going to be a total of 39 million bottles per month. Although this is a significant output, it is still limited by production constraint. This includes the availability of raw material, machine efficiency. In conclusion, while Toyo Seikan has strong and growing customer demand, the key limitation lies in supply and production capacity. So let's head to slide 3. So in slide 3, we're going to talk about the import. Toyo Seikan is committed to sourcing the high quality material from around the world to ensure the best product from our customer. Toyo Seikan import raw material efficiently using both air and sea transportation to boat and airplane depending on the type of good and urgency. Our sourcing countries include Singapore, the United States, Korea, Japan, and Australia. Those global suppliers provide us with essential raw materials. In this slide, we're going to talk about the export. Toyo Seikan is also a key of exporter. Our products are distributed to numerous countries worldwide. Look at this example. In Asia, we have China, Indonesia, Japan, Singapore, and then in Europe we have Russia, France, and Switzerland. And have a Canada and USA and many other countries, ensuring global access to our high-quality packaging and beverage solutions. Through strategic logistics and efficient supply chain management, we meet international demand while and delivery efficiency. So now let's talk about raw material procurement planning. So we need to understand demand is the most important factor in raw materials, as sourced from suppliers worldwide via both sea and air transport. So we have to always ask customers about the cost of raw materials, because costs may fluctuate at times, especially for agricultural products. So next, we talk about data recording and software usage. cameras are installed to collect data 24/7, and a cloud system is used to adjust production plans in case of an error. This helps improve efficiency and update for production plans. So next is planning for the return of raw material and products. So acceptable AQL and LTPD levels are agreed upon between the company and customer. So if the standard loss exceeds 7%, defective item must be cleared as soon as possible within 3 to 4 months, or they may be destroyed and raw material resold. Next, and equipment maintenance and repairs. Production lines are constantly being adjusted to meet demand. Machines may be moved to the second floor in case of flooding, with water level checked beforehand. There's always maintenance staff on standby. Next, we head into supply chain demands and supply planning. So for the suppliers, ordering raw material depends on the actual demand. It is essential to forecast in advance to avoid mistakes. That means communication is necessary, ensuring facts-based communication such as confirming with customer the exact quantity they need before placing order. So then we come to manufacturer. Once the supplier delivers the raw material, the production process begins. Employee must monitor and control operation 24/7 via cameras, while manual labor is still required to oversee machines. So for the QC, follow a set pattern, sometime every 30 minutes or once per hour. After a production is complete, production are shipped out.
Wholesalers. Bulk orders are placed and the company must ensure full production capacity to avoid lost sale or back order. For example, if one truck carry 15 tons and production occur in 60-ton batch, approximately 200,000 bottles must be prepared. Factors such as lead time of 100 plus days for raw materials and a storage capacity of 100 tons per tanks must be considered. Retailer. Wholesaler distribute product to retailer to increase purchasing power across different areas. Customer. Products reach consumer and it must be ensured that they receive item in optimal condition without defects. If customer order directly from the manufacturer, they can do so, but shipping fee will apply. Raw material sourcing. The factory uses two main types of raw material for production. First type is beverage, and second type is resin for bottle manufacturing. Most of the liquid ingredients used in production are provided by customers, who prepare them in advance and transport by tanker truck to the factory for bottling. This typically include tea, coffee, and fruit juice. The raw materials are sourced globally, arriving by sea or air transport. In some cases, such as orders from Chinese customers, for fully manufactured products like coconut water, the factory is responsible for sourcing the raw material. The coconut water is sourced from local farmers, which is selected based on fruit quality from each farm and seasonal availability. Pricing is also a crucial factor, as the cost of raw material is negotiated with customers based on the required quality to match their target selling price. Another type of raw material is resin, which is used to manufacture plastic bottles. The factory carefully select high quality resin supplied by PTT Petroleum. Use two types, virgin resin and recycled resin. The type of production is made to order because the company produces the drink and bottles it only after receiving a customer order, and the customer pick up the goods after production. Toyo Seikan has been operating full-scale OEM co-packer business since 2008. Quality checks such as the neatness of the bottle label and pressure level inside the bottle will perform every 30 minutes or 1 hour, and the height of the bottle are checked by sensor. There are CCTV cameras to monitor in case of problem 24 hours a day. It takes 1 month to produce, plus 3 months to make in advance in back office. There is a shelf life. Overproduction is not good. It must reach the consumer as soon as possible. The customer must receive the product within 14 days. For product distribution, the bottled beverages are wrapped in plastic and placed into boxes, stacked on pallet, and transported using forklift onto container truck. The warehouse stores customers' finished product, and once production is complete, customers are notified for pickup.
Products are stored in the warehouse for no more than 14 days. As shelf life is an important factor, keeping products in storage for too long may affect their quality, so ensuring fast delivery to customers is essential. Strategy and method for handling complaint, reject, withdrawal, recall.
Complaint handling, listening and recording information. Actively listen to customer complaints and thoroughly record relevant details for analysis and problem resolution. Communication with customer. Clearly and promptly inform customer about the corrective action taken to ensure satisfaction and trust. Reject management. Quality inspection. Conduct strict quality inspection to prevent the delivery of substandard products. Define an acceptable tolerance level that the customer can accept. Process improvement. Continuously improve product process and quality control to prevent recurring issues. Withdrawal management. Risk assessment. Assess potential risk associated with withdrawal products and follow appropriate procedure. Communication with customers and relevant parties. Inform customer and stakeholder about the product withdrawal, providing necessary information to ensure clear understanding. Recall management. Planning and preparedness. Have a clear product recall plan in place, agreeing with customer on the acceptable defect percentage. The factory will cover costs if the defective percentage is within the warranty. If the defect exceeds the warranty, the factory will bear the cost. Recall execution. Execute the recall, potentially destroying the defective product and reselling the part that cannot be destroyed. Customer relationship management and customer satisfaction are key components in maintaining strong relationships with clients. Philosophy and mission of Toyo Seikan. Toyo Seikan is committed to being a company that provides safety and reliability to customer and consumer while also contribute to society. We aim to continuously promote the development of human resource and technological innovation. This reflects our dedication to ensuring customer trust and comfort in partnering with the company. Transportation service. Toyo Seikan also offers transportation service for products that customers have ordered for production. However, please note that there may be additional costs associated with this service. Product development support. Customers looking to create new products can also receive assistance from the company, such as help with the beverage formulation or product design.
Safety and environmental management. First, employee safety training. Toyo Seikan places great importance on training employees in safety procedures, both in operation process and at the workplace. The training emphasizes adherence to safety standards and work procedures to prevent accidents and enhance operational efficiency. Risk management for flooding. The company has implemented risk management strategy to prevent potential damage from flooding. Specific production lines are designed to prevent water ingress, ensuring continuous production. This is especially critical since the factory experienced flooding in 2011. Fire safety system. Toyo Seikan has comprehensive fire safety measures in place, including fire exits, fire hoses, fire extinguisher, and designated assembly points in case of evacuation, ensuring the safety of all employees in the event of a fire. Safety in production lines. The company has emergency shower system with pull-down features for quick use in case of chemical exposure. Additionally, there are food-operated hand wash stations to protect workers from potential harms caused by chemicals. Visual management at Toyo Seikan factory. First, production line monitoring. Windows are installed along the walkway around the production lines, allowing employees to view almost the entire line. Additionally, boards or digital screens are used to monitor the progress of production, displaying key information such as production speed, output, and quality checks. This enables employees to assess the status of production process and make adjustments immediately if any issue arises. Second, safety instructions. A diagram of symbols is used throughout the factory to communicate safety information. This includes the location of fire extinguisher, first aid kits, and emergency exits, ensuring that employees can quickly locate safety equipment when necessary. Third, real-time problem identification. If an issue or defect occurs in the production process, visual management tools, such as status lights for each department, are used. This allows the team to quickly respond and resolve the problem before it affects the overall production process. Inventory levels, raw materials, WIP, and finished goods. When production is complete and the products are stored in the warehouse, the customer must collect them within 14 days. If there are defective products, the company will try to clear those products within 3 to 4 months. Some defective products can be reworked, such as labels, but this can be done no more than twice because the bottle deteriorates from heat. The company establishes an agreement with customers regarding the acceptable defect rate for a product. If the defect rate exceeds the agreed limit, the company will take responsibility. This agreement is called standard loss. How is the factory space utilized, and what is the material flow of movement process? What type of product process is used? First, how is the factory space utilized? The Rojana factory has a total area of 46,600 square meters, with a production area of 18,900 square meters. The Sirachha factory has a production area of 9,000 square meters. What is the material flow of movement process? There are two types of material movement or flow. The first one is flow production, and another one is just-in-time. Flow production is a production system that focuses on having products or work pieces flow continuously along the production line, where each step operates continuously, producing goods in large quantities. Just-in-time is a production system that emphasizes reducing waste and inventory storage by producing only when there is a demand. Third, what type of production process is used? The production process consists of two main methods. The first one is flow production and the another one is lean manufacturing. Flow production has already been explained earlier. Lean manufacturing is a production process that focuses on minimizing waste in every aspect of production, such as reducing production time and minimizing inventory storage. Human resource management, teamwork, and work motivation. Toyo Seikan's work environment promotes openness, support, and growth with a focus on sustainability, and the company's vision is to be a leader in the production of high-quality packaging and products, taking into account sustainability, development, and customer satisfaction. The company has an annual trip policy to help employees relax and organizes sports events to promote health and teamwork. Every morning before starting work, there is a meeting for employees to exchange information and plan the day's tasks. Management of complexity and variability. The company manages potential risks and fluctuation through two factors, external factors and internal factors. The external factors. After the flooding event in 2011 in Thailand, the company has prepared the following measures. Products are moved to be stored outside the factory in a safe location. The level of Chapia River is regularly monitored. Machinery is relocated to the second floor. If a war occurs, the company does not have specific measures in place, but if it happens, the cost of exporting goods will increase. The internal factors. The company focuses on customer demand as a priority and ensures that the raw materials are sufficient to meet customer needs. The following measures are in place. Toyo Seikan company offers a wide range of products, manufacturing bottles in various sizes according to customer requirements. The packaging can accommodate various options. There is communicate of fact information. These factors are considered the company's key strengths. Team members and responsibilities are as follows. Thank you for your listening.